Hello everyone, welcome back to Investment News Now. Today, we have some key news items in the tech and finance sectors that you won't want to miss. We're looking at a hefty allegation against Elon Musk, why Apple's VR headset could break barriers, Wall Street's green light on Nvidia, and fresh look for RE usage in astronomy. Let's dive in. First up on our docket, we venture into the buzzing world of Dogecoin, where none other than Elon Musk finds himself in the eye of the storm. The Tesla CEO is finding himself in hot water, accused of insider trading in a proposed class action lawsuit by Dogecoin investors. The allegation? They claim Musk manipulated the beloved meme cryptocurrency, leading to losses running into billions of dollars. Now, if you're wondering how he pulled this off, the investors have a detailed explanation. They allege Musk used his Twitter posts, paid online influencers, his 2021 appearance on NBC's Saturday Night Live, and other publicity stunts to trade profitably, all at their expense, through multiple Dogecoin wallets believed to be under his or Tesla's control. In one instance, Musk allegedly sold about $124 million worth of Dogecoin, following a tweet where he swapped Twitter's Bluebird logo with Dogecoin's Shiba Inu dog logo. This seemingly harmless tweet apparently led to a 30% surge in Dogecoin's price. Investors are calling Musk's actions a deliberate course of carnival barking, market manipulation, and insider trading, enabling Musk to defraud investors while simultaneously promoting himself and his companies. Musk, the world's richest person, is accused of driving up Dogecoin's price by more than 36,000% over 2 years, then letting it crash. This lawsuit isn't new, it began last June, and Musk and Tesla tried dismissing a previous complaint, labeling it a fanciful work of fiction. Now, with these fresh allegations in a proposed third amended complaint, the saga continues. Despite the severe charges, U.S. District Judge Alvin Hellerstein stated that he would likely allow the third amended complaint, commenting that the defendants would not likely be prejudiced. Meanwhile, the non-profit Dogecoin Foundation, which was also a defendant, saw its charges dismissed. Now, with Elon Musk, one thing's for sure, the story is never over. Moving from legal drama to tech innovation, let's switch gears and talk about why Apple's VR headset could succeed where others have stumbled. It looks like we're standing on the precipice of a new era in Apple's legacy. Yes, folks, we're talking about the anticipated launch of its first major product line since the Apple Watch in 2014. Our beloved tech giant, Apple, is gearing up for its software-focused developer conference, WWDC, where it is expected to pull the curtain back on its first mixed reality headset. This isn't just hearsay, analyst research, media reports, and Apple's own cryptic references have all added fuel to this fire of anticipation. This proposed headset isn't your run-of-the-mill VR gadget. Not only will it have high-definition screens for the user's eyes, but it's also slated to let users interact with the real world using high-powered cameras mounted on the device, a feature known as pass-through or mixed reality. Now, we know that the virtual reality industry has been wading through some tough times, a phase some like to call the trough of disillusionment. But remember, we're talking about Apple here, a company known for not only disrupting existing markets but also creating entirely new ones. Despite a rather lukewarm VR market and a faltering enthusiasm about the metaverse, Apple's entrance could very well be the game changer the industry needs. This headset is rumored to be more powerful than what's currently out there, boasting a 4K resolution screen for each eye and a powerful Apple-designed chip. Of course, such power comes with a price tag, and we're expecting it to be a hefty one, possibly as much as $3,000, according to some analysts. And despite the initial sales projected to be in the hundreds of thousands, compared to the millions sold in the Apple Watch's first year, industry insiders believe that Apple's announcement could ignite both consumers and software developers, inching the technology closer to its ultimate promise. Historically, Apple's magic lies in taking existing ideas and refining them into products that are overwhelmingly appealing to consumers. The iPod, iPhone, and Apple Watch all bear testament to this knack. With their significant consumer brand and hefty marketing budget, Apple has the potential to demystify the confusing world of headset technology, and create a product that mainstream consumers understand and desire. What's more, Apple has been steadily laying the groundwork for this moment, purchasing multiple companies focused on specific technologies related to AR and VR over the past decade. When the headset is finally unveiled, it won't just be a new piece of hardware, it will be the culmination of years of strategic acquisitions and painstaking research. Ultimately, if there's one thing we've learned from Apple's past, it's that they don't give up easily. When the Apple Watch was launched, its identity was yet to be defined, but Apple's adaptability allowed it to shape the product based on user feedback, turning it into a widely popular fitness tracker. So, will Apple's mixed reality headset follow a similar trajectory? Only time will tell. But one thing is for sure, with Apple entering the arena, the VR industry is about to get a lot more interesting. And now, we're moving from the mesmerizing world of virtual reality to a realm that's taking digital strides in real life. The question is, can you ride the wave of an AI boom? This leading graphics chip maker has seen its stock value triple this year, amassing an eye-watering $650 billion in market value since its two-year low last October. Briefly touching the coveted $1 trillion mark this week, Nvidia has cemented its place in the high-stakes investing game. The buzz around Nvidia is electrifying. Out of 49 analysts surveyed by FactSet, 41 have given Nvidia a big thumbs up, with a projected 12-month price target near $432, indicating potential gains of about 9%. Nvidia's meteoric rise escalated when it announced a groundbreaking $11 billion revenue target for the quarter ending in July, dwarfing the consensus forecast of about $7 billion. Hans Mosesmann, from Rosenblatt Securities, holds the highest price target for Nvidia on Wall Street, a staggering $600. According to him, Nvidia's rocketing ascent is propelling the entire chip industry's 38% surge this year. The race for AI supremacy, ignited by Microsoft's $10 billion investment in OpenAI, has thrown the spotlight on Nvidia. As the only current supplier of the crucial graphics processing units powering these AI programs, Nvidia is in a unique position, even doubling its prices due to surging demand. While some may express concern over Nvidia's sky-high valuation, trading at 49 times forward earnings, many see Nvidia's robust competitive stance as reason enough to overlook this. Outperforming rivals like Broadcom, Advanced Micro Devices, and Intel, Nvidia remains a hot favorite among semiconductor stocks. Wall Street's optimism about Nvidia's future is palpable, with analysts projecting quarterly revenue to reach a jaw-dropping $14 billion by fall 2024. In spite of the lack of guidance beyond Q2, the high-demand backlog keeps analysts bullish on Nvidia's prospects. As CJ Muse from Evercore ISI points out, if you order a GPU today, you're not getting it for a year. This ingenious strategy secures Nvidia's stronghold in the market, and promises easier revenue growth prediction in the upcoming quarters. Let's switch from our AI-boosted earthly endeavors and take a voyage into the stars. A journey to a realm where artificial intelligence is making waves not in stock markets, but in the vast cosmos itself. Exoplanets, or planets beyond our solar system, have been a hot topic of astronomical discoveries in recent years. With over 5,000 exoplanets discovered, we're in an era of cosmic exploration like never before. But here's the catch, we're mainly finding the ones that are easiest to spot. However, there's a game changer on the horizon. Thanks to artificial intelligence and machine learning, astronomers are now able to spot young planets forming within the thick disks of dust that surround young stars, even catching worlds that human researchers might miss. When a star is born, it's surrounded by a thick protoplanetary disk of dust and gas, the celestial nursery where planets are born. But spotting young planets in these disks is no easy feat due to the dense material. Researchers have to infer their presence by looking for gaps in the disk, signs that a planet is in the making. Enter AI. It's like a supercharged telescope, capable of quickly analyzing huge amounts of data, picking up on subtle hints that humans might miss. This makes AI an extremely valuable tool for hunting new worlds, including those we might otherwise overlook. Research teams have been training machine learning algorithms on synthetic data to spot these young planets. Then, these AI tools were tested on real observations. And guess what? They nailed it. They not only spotted known exoplanets, but also pointed out a disk around a star called HD 142666, where no planets were previously identified. The follow-up simulations confirmed that a Jupiter-like planet could recreate the observation. This novel approach opens up a new era of exoplanet discoveries, just in time for the data-rich age of the upcoming James Webb Telescope. The potential of AI in this field is vast. Not only can it find more planets faster, but it can also help us understand why certain worlds form under specific conditions and not others. This is key to understanding the complexities of our own solar system and the billions of others out there. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, we've got AI-powered super eyes scanning the cosmos, unveiling the secrets of distant worlds, one exoplanet at a time. And that's a wrap for today's episode, folks. Share it with your friends who need to stay in the know. And, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from us. This is your host, signing off.